यो नित्यमच्युतपदाम्बुजयुग्मरुक्म व्यामोहतस्तदितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोर्भगवतोऽस्य दयैकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये. Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha. Sriperumbudur, also called as Mahabhutapuri, is a prosperous village located around 30 miles south of Chennai. There is a beautiful temple of Adi Kesava Perumal and Yatirajavalli Tayar. More than 1,000 years ago, there lived a Brahmin called Kesava Saumyaji. He was a Vedic scholar and a great devotee of Sriman Narayana.
Around the same time, there was another great devotee called Sri Sailapurna, who was the disciple of great Acharya Yamunacharya, living in Tiruvengadam with his sisters Gandhimati and Sri Devi. He was also a great devotee of Sriman Narayana and was doing Kainkaryam by bringing Dirtham from Agasa Gangai to Tiruvengadam every day.
Kesava Somayaji married Gandhimati. They were childless for a long time, so they decided to go to Tiruvallikeni and pray to Parthasarathi Perumal for a son.
Blessings of Tiruvallikeni Parthasarathi Perumal. As his Amsavataram, a baby was born to Kesava Soumyaji and Kantimati Amma during the month of Chittirai, Tiruvadirai star. The maternal uncle named the child Ilayarvan.
இன்றுலகீழ் சித்திரையில் எய்ந்த திருவாதிரை நாள் என்ற இனமின்றி இதனுக்கேற்றம் எந்தான் என்றவர்க்குச் சாற்றுகின்றேன் கேண்மின் எதிராசர் தம் பிறப்பால் நாற்றிசையும் கொண்டாடும் நாள்.
ஸ்ரீமதே ராமானுஜாய நமஹ. ஆழ்வார்கள் தாங்கள் அவதரித்த நாள்களிலும் வாழ்வான நாள் நமக்கு மண்ணுலகீர் ஏழ்பாருமுய்ய யதிராசர் உதித்தருளும் சித்திரையில் செய்யா திருவாதிரை. Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha. The maternal uncle, Periya Tirumalai Nambi, on seeing the changes in the baby's face, names him Ilayarvan, wishing the baby to possess the qualities of Lakshmana, who was the Amsam of Tiruvanantharan, and did Kainkaryam to Rama.